Welcome back. You're going to see here in the published area that there's going to be a link for UTM configuration. And this is going to bring you to the advanced settings section of the setup, which you may recognize. Now, the UTM configuration allows you to add more detail to the campaign URL so that you'll be able to determine the nature of your traffic and leads. So, for example, one of the things we can do is we can specify the specific source. If we were to specify Facebook as a source, we can then use a medium in order to talk about the kind of post we used on Facebook. For example, if we were to say that we used a text post, we can write in text here in the medium area. We can then write in another identifier. For example, if we wanted to use a specific date or time or some other identifier so that we know which kind of text post we used on Facebook, that will be part of our link. Once we have our element here, we can then click Save. And what we can then do is we can copy the link, and this is the link that we can share so that we can determine the nature of our campaign. And we can do this several times over. We can do this with Twitter. We can do this with LinkedIn. And basically what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be savoring different kind of links for us to be able to do different kinds of tracking. We can also create a custom link that doesn't rely on any specific social network. And we can give ourselves a specific keyword. And all we'll need to do is to click the Addition button, and we'll have our new link. So what we're doing here is we're creating different kinds of links. We're going to place those links in different locations, and we're going to be able to look at our reporting to determine how much of our traffic and activity comes from specific links in specific ways. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.